Good day everyone and Level 1 preparation course. In this video we're going to give you a quick overview about the CMT Level 1 exam. In this video lecture we will present about how to prepare for CMT Level 1 exam. We will discuss about the CMT curriculum course structure, exam format and dates. Then we will give you topic-wise curriculum breakdown and exam weights. We will discuss about your learning. Hopefully, this orientation will give you a clear idea about the CMT Level 1 exam. So, let's get started with the CMT level material. The intent of this video is to just talk about the CMT Level 1 exam and its format. We will not be talking about the whole CMT program, at least I'm assuming you have thought about the whole program and you know exactly what you are doing. And now you are planning to go about the CMT program. And you are seeking about the CMT, what to study and how to continue. However, if you are seeking advice for the CMT program and benefit of having CMT charter, that's a separate topic altogether. You can always email us at info@marketingtank.com, and our team of experts will help you. So now let's begin with the CMT Level I exam breakdown. It takes place twice in a year. The first one in April administration and the second one is in the late November or early December. Exam format is it's a 2-hour where you get 120 to 132 questions. An exam is delivered on a computer in a prometric testing facility. Sure to book your exam well in advance so that you will not have problem. It is pertinent to mention here that the CMT curriculum is continuously evolving. It's an ongoing process every 5 years or so. They do a job analysis survey in order to keep this course relevant, and there are annual updates to the curriculum to continually refine a reading set. One thing I have observed over the year that the course is now more focused towards the active money management. Help the technical analysis that make this course relevant for fund managers, brokers, research analysts. Most of the thing you will related to the typical technical analysis. And let me show you the breakup of this curriculum. So this is CMT Level 1 topics and their weights. The first of all, this is the chart development and analysis. It's a huge amount of material. There are around 620 pages in Level 1, and out of 620 pages, it is almost 300 pages. It is 47% of the course and it is very important. Secondly, markets, it's a 21% weight. It's about 165 pages of the curriculum and presents 21% of the course, then statistical analysis and system development 11%, and then ethics is 3%. So if you rank it according to their weight, so charts development and analysis is almost 47% of the course. Number 2 is the market segment, which is around 21%, technical investment strategies is 18%, statistical analysis and system development 11%. And then the 3% of the question is based on ethics. It is linked to the CFA's Code of Ethics. It's a 2-page document and we have covered this in our course. CMB candidates are encouraged to review the CFA Standard of Practice Handbook. According to CFA Institute, the Standard of Practice Handbook grounds the concept covered in the code and standard of practical use. And now I will show you the exam breakdown. These are the percentages of questions in exams, so the questions out of 120 to 132 questions that you will get in Level 1, these are the breakups. Out of 120 questions, 23% will be focused towards charts and pattern analysis, trend analysis and confirmation. These 3 important topics covers almost 41% of the exam. Another important segment is theory and history 9%, market 5% and market indicators. So another 21% is from these 3 topics, and if you add selection and decisions in cycle, so it will cumulatively be 18% in the exam. 80% of the exam is covered by covering these colors, and then you have ethics and statistical analysis and system testing. Alright, another important aspect in your study style. You need to figure out what style suits you in this slide. What is necessary for studying? What are the things that you are good to do so? So what I would recommend you is you just take the topic. You take any topic, for example you are taking chapter 14. is related to the candlestick charting, so you need to understand all important concept in this chapter. For example, you need to understand strength and chart, component of the individual candle chart lines, highs and lows, open and close of a trading period, candle confirmations and support, reversal signal. So, what you need to do is to understand the lows clearly, go through the curriculum, read the curriculum completely. But normally it is witnessed that the students over the year, they are so lost in it that they just cannot stay on schedule and miss the deadlines. However, there are some students who do manage to stay on schedule. So you need to figure out your style of study. If you think you cannot stay on schedule, so you can use our videos as a supplementary support to your preparation. In our video lecture, I have covered all the learning objective statements. I would encourage you to try our videos and buy them. Otherwise you can figure out whatever ways suits for you. So understand the concept clearly, read curriculum and use our videos. So this should be your line of action. Take any chapter, understand the lows, go to the curriculum, read the curriculum and then go and figure out what the video has to say. So after doing videos, you can start doing practice questions, solve as much as practice question as you can and then do the mock exam and reverse the cycle again and again. So you will improve your accuracy. So this should be your study flow. Listen to the videos and have the curriculum open at the same time. If you are using our CFTe products, so listen to the videos, listen all my videos and open the curriculum. If you are not opening the curriculum, then have a printed slide of our videos. Make a small notes of your important concepts. It is better to write with your hand so that you can memorize it for the later period. Document concept and questions you don't understand and ask during live online sessions. Practice topic quiz, sample questions and questions from the other sources. I wish you good luck for the CMT Level 1 exam and looking forward to see you progressing. Let's get started.